Hi friends, today let's discuss about the file and folder sharing feature between Microsoft Windows 8 and Mac OS X Lion 10.7. And here I'm using Windows 8 operating system, and I've got my Mac next to me, and I'm trying to access my Mac using the VNC viewer. And let me try to create a folder, and let me try sharing the folder in the Mac. I'm going to a D drive here, and I'm trying to create a folder. I'm trying to name it as Win8, and in order to set permissions to share this folder, I need to go to properties, click on share, and once I click share, I can add everyone here, so that everyone in my network will be provided with the access. Or if I want to give permission to only one particular user, I can just try to provide the username and click on add here, just in case if I have any different users in the network. So once I add this a name, I will have the privilege to set the permission levels if I want to give the read write permissions or the read permissions. And once I include the list of users, I can click on share, so that I will be provided with the path to share this particular file. So let me connect to the Mac computer. I'm trying to launch, and let me go to the options and check the full screen, so that I can access that in the full screen, and clicking on connect. And I've given a authentication password to the VNC connection here. And once I am logging into the Mac, I've been prompted to provide the user password here. Let me try to log in here. So once I provide the login credentials, let me try to log into my Mac. Once I log into my Mac, I can click on go and click on connect to server, so that I can type in smb : / followed by my Windows 8 IP address, and click on connect, so that it will try to connect to the Windows 8 machine here. As I've already tried providing the credentials earlier, it is not prompting for the credentials, or else if you are trying to log in or connect for the first time, it will be prompting your credentials. So you need to provide your username and password here. So this is how I can access the, as I'm given the read and write permission. Let me try creating a set of folders, and let me check if this is gonna replicate properly or not in the Windows part. And as I've created two folders here, let me go back to my Windows 8 computer, the host machine, and I'm trying to check here. So the untitled folder and untitled folder 2 are created here. Now this is how we can share files and folders from a Windows machine to the Mac OS X Lion version of the Mac here. Now let's try exploring the ways in order to create files and folders in the Mac OS X Lion operating system, and try sharing that or try accessing that in the Windows 8 machine here. Now I'm going back to my Mac, and in order to provision the share access or share files or folders, we need to go to the system preferences, and once you are in system preferences, click on sharing. Once you click on sharing, you'll have to click on file sharing here. Once you check file sharing, you need to go to options, and you need to check share files and folders using SMB. This is specified for the Windows operating systems, and you need to check on Apple, so that it will prompt you for the administrator password, and click on OK. And once you click done here, now let's try sharing few folders which are already available in this Mac computer, and try accessing them from the Windows 8. I'm trying to add the folders so that I can share them. So let me go ahead and try sharing this demo1 folder, which is available somewhere in my documents, I guess. Let me check. Yes, these are available in my documents. Once I select demo1, I can click on add, and here as well we can provide the access level permissions. I can provide read and write, or read only permissions, or write only permissions. We will have the privilege to add them on the Dropbox, so on and so forth. And once I give this permissions, let me go back and try accessing this from my Windows machine. So I'm going to run, and this is the IP address of my Mac, and try to hit on enter. So as even in this case, friends, as I've already logged in earlier, I'm not being prompted to enter the login credentials. So in this case also, you will be prompted to log in with your user ID and the password. So you need to provide your IP address, give a backslash followed by your username, and in the password field you need to provide the password of the Mac computer, right? So as I've given the access to the demo one, and here I'm able to access the demo one as well. And this is the way we need to create folders and share or communicate among the different operating systems. Hope this video helps you, and thank you so much for choosing ID Masters.